Today I'm sharing my heavenly chocolate chia seed pudding recipe with you. Now chances are you've been told to cut carbs or quit sugar to lose weight and reduce high blood sugars. But what if, like me, you've got a major sweet tooth and love food? Let's face it, deprivation doesn't work, not in the long run anyways. You can stay the course on your diet or meal plan for a couple of days or weeks, but then some temptation comes along and you blow it and gain all the weight back and then some. At least that used to be me time and time again before I discovered the homemade method. So I'll never ask you to give up dessert. Why? Desserts can actually be incredibly healthy and nourishing when done right, even for diabetics, but only if you do them the right way. Now, inside the Homemade Method program recipes, there's an entire chapter of irresistibly sweet, heartwarming comfort foods, all of which are healthy adaptations of the treats you already know and love, like this chocolate chia pudding recipe with roasted almonds that I'm sharing with you today. It's low in refined carbohydrates and has zero added refined white sugars. It's high in protein and fiber to help support healthy weight loss and balance blood sugars, and it's high in those essential omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce high blood cholesterol, blood pressure and inflammation. And it's high in healthy fats proven to reduce your risk of heart disease and strokes. And did I mention it tastes like a cross between a chocolate pudding and an Almond Joy bar? Now, you'll just scroll down below this video and hit the description section to get the recipe. These recipes are designed by our team of dietitians and holistic chefs, specifically for women over 60, so you can deeply satisfy your sweet tooth and reach your health and weight loss goals. And that's the power of making simple switches and tiny tweaks to the foods you're already eating. So if you're ready to satisfy your senses and keep the momentum going on your healthy eating goals, then I'm giving away this members only chocolate chia pudding recipe today. So if you'd like to get it, just head down to the description below this video. You might need to click the little drop down arrow if you're on a phone or iPad, and then find the link where you can get the recipe for free. I'd love you to share a photo of your creation in our community Facebook group. You'll find the link to that in the description below this video too. Enjoy our delicious recipe, get support from our positive community of women, and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Bye for now.